Which is better for monetization, Bunny.net or Vimeo? So for Bunny.net, you do need to do custom setup for it to be able to monetize. But the great thing about Bunny.net is that it's very cheap. If you go to storage here, you can see you can go to your first storage zone. And if I try to do this, I can tap on, for example, I'm just gonna give it something random. And then I can add the storage zone. You can see how cheap it is. It's only about 3 cents per gigabyte. And then you can see there's a lot of others here you can put. Its equivalent come down to 0.005 cents or gigabyte. It's less than a cent, so it's very cheap. But you do need to do custom monetization if you want to go with Bunny.net. So you need to do customization or monetization outside of Bunny.net, or you need to integrate it somehow. But for Vimeo, it has a custom built-in monetization. You can see there's a couple of video monetization. You can launch a streaming service, you can monetize your own website, and you can sell or rent videos on demand. Now, all of these is built in, so you don't have to do a lot of things. So you just have to build in, you just have to add the video, and then you'll be able to monetize it easily. And you can see there's a lot of other tools that embed this as well. So there's like an immutable ad-free player with purchase button as well. So it's pretty good, right? There's also global reach, there's also ad-free, high revenue share, and of course, it's pretty good. It has ad-free, right? Now, the thing is for Vimeo is that it has shares. So that means is that your revenue will be split with Vimeo. That's the thing that a lot of people don't like.